Welcome to our discussion on the importance of sneezing safely. Did you know that a sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? Holding in a sneeze can lead to serious health issues like ruptured eardrums. Instead, let it out into your elbow to prevent the spread of germs. Incorporating foods rich in vitamin C can boost your immune system. Herbs like ginger and garlic can also help in disease prevention. Staying hydrated and getting enough sleep are key to maintaining good health. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so take care of your health.